Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam te kasni. Ki jat ban riu Tibetan ka Khot ya ka sorkar India ban shim ya ka rai ka kyrshan ya ka jinglong laitluid jong ka Tibet kabladon ha ka history bad ka ba ithu ya uput usam jong ka Indo Tibet kabladon ha ka history. Ha kini kisnem bala letno ka sorkar komunis jong ka China. Kala penjur ya ka jing pendan kam ya ki marpo khando barius pa jong ka Tiben. Hapo ka jing tap jong ki project penroy ka babu jingma ya ka maryang jong ka lum Tiben bat ka babu jingma ya ka jing im jong ki jaka bat ki ying mani ki badan jingmut ha ka history. Ki project snadam ha ka wa richu bat ki we ki wa ha Tibet kin kta jur ya ka jing im jong ki nong Tiben bat ki ri ki badan shapo wa. Ki jingtmu ban snadam he bat ka jing pinmi nuclear ringkat bat ka jing bread ki jabo nuclear bat ki policy penroi kham da perkhan ki pensniu ya ka maryang jong ka Tiben. Hadian kata ki pelong ya ka jing bom ya hap jong ka maryang hakeleng ka perthei. Ngi kentu ya ka jing perkhat na ki ri ki ba shapo wa ha ka be dei ba kini ki jing ja. Ha ka lum Tiben bat ngi Khot ban ne ban penduna ya ki kam klem perkhat jong ka China ha Tiben. Habaro ka way na kini ka jingya bai nginne jingo ya ki yoliur jong ki nong Tiben ha keleng kari India ban pinsngo thu shaphang ka jing penyap pathar ya ka kolshor ka badang ya chakman da ka sorkar China ha Tiben. Kumjuru ban pinksan ya ka jing don kam jong ka jing teli persha ya ka China. Ki jing tmu bar ki jing tmu. Ngi Khot ya ka perthei ban pinbor ya ka China ban sak nge no ya ki kambean bar ki badang ya beteng jongka. Ki bathmu ban pendu jat ya ka kolshor Tibet bat ban burom ya ka hok jong ki briu Tibet ban penne pinsa ya ka kolshor. Kublai ya ka sorkar bat ki briu jong kari India na ka benta ka jingya teli jongki bat ya saat ya ka sorkar India ban shim ya ka rai ka kyrshan ya ka jinglong laitluid jong ka history jong ka Tibet ban pentikna ya ka jingshngan ka baslam ya ka ri India. Ngi kentu ya ki ri perthei ban yada ya ka maryang jong ka Tibet bat ban pinbor ya ka China ban saknge no ya ka jing pindon kam ya ki marpo khendo jong ka Tibet. Ka ba pelong ya ka jingbom ya hap jong ka maryang ha ka perthei.
Tashit to all. So I want to thank all the media personnel for accepting our invitation to coming here to cover this important political rally which is organized by Tibetan Youth Congress. So this is the bike relay campaign which is organized by Tibetan Youth Congress on 22nd of November 2024 from the Bumla. So Bumla is the border between Tibet and India, so which is situated in the Tawang district of Arunachal Pradesh. So we started the campaign on 22nd. So the very purpose of TYC for organizing this campaign is we have three major objectives. First one is the Chinese Communist government. After illegal occupation of our nation, currently they are introducing a very harsh and the kind of cultural genocide policy.
On Tibetan Youth Congress joining in this rally.
Thank you.
Right from the start.
Yes. So this for the rally we have 11 bikers. They are from the 7 different places where we have regional Tibetan Youth Congress. In total of this program, this whole rally, we have 15 people. So 11 bikers, 3 from the Central Executive Committee, our Joint Secretary and our media officer and me. And we have 1 mechanic, the technical engineering who's dealing with the services work. So in total we have 15.
You said you urged the Indian government to issue some statement.
Yes.
Have you been able to meet the parliamentarians of India, especially the
killed by the so-called People's Republic of China's PLA army? And the Chinese government, as I mentioned earlier, they are in all the effort to eliminate the very identity of Tibetan people. So the Chinese government recently introduced the so-called colonial boarding school in Tibet, so which is we are very much concerned. They are forcefully taking the young kids aged 5 years and above from their parents, and they are just forcing them into the boarding school, colonial boarding school, under which they are trying to brainwash the Tibetan people. As I mentioned, they are trying to eliminate the very identity of Tibetan. So which we are very much concerned. If you look at the Global Human Rights Index, especially the Freedom House, for many years continuously reported.
Thank you those media who attend and concerned about the Tibet cause. So I'll give you a brief introduction on Tibetan Youth Congress. And Tibetan Youth Congress has been established in 1970 on the October 7th, and we are the Tibetan Youth Congress is the largest diaspora community organization in Tibetan community, and we have around 89 chapters globally in 14 different countries, and we mainly focus on Tibetan political activism in Tibetan community and international level. Likewise, we do different campaigns type of like a political relays, bike relays, hunger strikes, and also we do social service activities. And since 1970 now, it's been almost 54 years, and Tibetan Youth Congress still do works on Tibetan political related things. And
good afternoon, everyone, and I would like to give a special thanks to all the media persons over here. Kwa I could shipon bura bafila ranane. The mata ki nide ki press conference, banta ki one ki all India ki TYC ki one ki all India bike rally. So they are on this all India bike rally. So today they have stopped over here in Shillong. And now I'll request the Joint Secretary, Mr. Tsering Chumbel of Tibetan Youth Congress, and he will give a brief on what is TYC and what are their works and what all they do. And after that, the President of TYC, Mr. Gomputhandop, he'll highlight the objectives of the bike rally and accept questions and answers as well from the media persons. Right.